My name is David, popularly known as Mr. Macaroni. So I want to thank everyone out there, for speaking up. I want to thank everyone for the show of love. My phones are bad, so I can't even really take calls or reply messages and all that. But I'm here. I'm in my house. I'm okay. So, and I also just want to address one or two things, about the recent events. Not like, don't be saying I'm a brave person, you understand? No, don't be saying I'm brave. In fact, I was scared. I was very scared. I didn't want to go out at all. My father called me, all my siblings, my family members, everyone called me. My friends, don't go out. And in all honesty, in my heart of hearts, I did not want to go out, But the only reason I went there is because I knew that people would be there. And in good conscience, I don't know. I knew people would die. People would die again. And I saw it. I can confirm to you that if word did not get out, people would have died because nobody would have known where anybody was or who picked up who and all of that. In fact, I was a lucky face one first. I was about shooting. That's to tell you that I didn't really want to go out because I was scared. And I don't think anyone should be talking about maybe celebrities came out or they did not come out. No. The situation that we are in this country is deep shit. You cannot blame anyone. People are scared. You think I'm not scared? People are scared for their lives. And we know that we are in a government that has zero value for human lives. Like, they don't care at all. They will kill anybody. They will dehumanize anybody just to make sure that, what they want to do, just to make sure that they do it. So this is not the time to be saying, oh, where are the celebrities? Oh, where are the rest? Oh, where are these? We don't need all of that. All we need is one love, one unity. We need to come together to speak against what is going on in our society. That's all. So I was scared, but if I already heard that about 2-3 people were already arrested, and I knew there's no, let me tell you, so because I saw it in my eyes, when we're picked up, we're taken to Adiniji, where we were beaten, we were stripped naked, like, and everyone was beaten. So when people, I asked them to already help me put out the names of the 39 guys that were with me, male and female alike. So when I see people calling my name, like I said, I didn't have the strength to go out. It wasn't even me. It was these 39 people that were out that, gave the ginger for me to even say, let me go and see what is happening. You understand? So these are the real heroes. You get? They are the true heroes because they went out and they said, look, we're not here to fight you. We're just here to ask why you want to open the toll gate. Is that the next thing to do? Nobody would have come out. This would never have happened if you were not talking about want to open the toll gate. What have we gotten justice for anything that happened last year? A lot of families left in years of sorrow because they lost loved ones and all of that. Businesses destroyed. So opening the toll gate, is that the next line of action? Nobody supports violence. Nobody supports killings or destruction of properties. But we need to come together to talk to the government. The government is responsible for protection. So let me ask, you had over 200 policemen out there yesterday, and you want to tell me you could not guarantee a peaceful protest if there was going to be one? It shows that you guys are irresponsible. All of you are irresponsible. We're beating, we're beating. They'll just come, and are you up? So let me tell you guys, it's a serious war out there. These people don't care. They will kill anybody. If word was not out that people were already being arrested, they took this, they took that. If word was not out, people would have died clean and clear. They were saying it, they were telling us that we'll shoot you, nothing will happen. If it was night, all of them don't die. You understand? So we're in serious shit. But it's not enough to silence our voices, because at the end of the day, what are we saying? We're just saying you cannot continue to oppress us. For how long? Okay, now you don't do them now. You don't beat us, you want kill us, and it should be at the end of the day, waiting go end them like death, isn't it? You understand? But at least we as we get the voice, we go still use and talk. you know. So guys, I'm at least for now I'm okay. Lastly, let me just give this. I don't believe in curses. I know they like curse because I don't believe in them. But I want to do this quick one for anybody that is saying that I collected money from Atiku, Abi, whoever it is you are thinking I collected money from. That's your number one, that's your business. But if I did not collect any money from anybody, you will not go no peace for the rest of your life. Except I collect money from anybody. Well, I know a lot of people believe that's shit. And people that know me personally know that I've been fighting. I speak for myself and people around me since I don't get sense. Right from my secondary school. I don't speak for myself and people with there around me since my secondary school. So people that know me know that. So but you way it is I collect money from how you spread them say I collect money from one person, you understand? And except I collect money from that person, you know go no peace, your children will suffer. I know, like, look at you, see, I just want to tell you, understand? So I'm going to the hospital, you know, just for a complete check. I have bruises all over. Them beat me where they say I go get sense, you know. So I'm going for checkup. Then when I'm okay, we'll find time to talk and everything. But for now, I want to thank everyone, all the lawyers, everyone that was instrumental in the release and everything. I just want to say thank you. Like I said, my phones are bad. They destroyed my phones as well and everything. But I want to say God bless everyone and thank you.
Basically, I'm not here to it's not solving anything. And kò ní dá fún anybody tí ó bá criticize òyìnbó mi ní orí channel àtàwà yìí lórí particular video because kò sí nǹkan tó kàn yín pẹ̀lú English. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí, n tó bá dẹ̀ wù mí máa fi Yorùbá sọ. Àdúrà mi wà ní kí ọmọ Igbo kó gbọ́ mi àbí kí Hausa kó gbọ́ mi. Káwọn méjì ò bá dẹ̀ gbọ́ mi, èmi gan ò gbọ́ èdè wọn. So now, n tẹ́mi feel ni pé youth are the real problems of Nigeria, in case you don't know. It's not the government anymore. I've come to realize that. It's the youth, nothing but the youth. Let me tell you, we are not strong enough. Mr. Macaroni was arrested, and so many Nigerians. This is not about Mr. Macaroni. This is about the Nigerians that has always been arrested for such things, and we don't fight for them. But now because we saw Mr. Macaroni, because one way Mr. Macaroni, so all of us are now shouting, hey, Debo, Debo. What about other people that have been fighting? Now, let's talk about everybody in general. I think it's so dehumanizing for you to arrest Nigerians that are protesting without guns, without cutlass, without fighting you police, without shooting you police. You arrest them. Now it's not bad enough. You now put them, you treat them like criminals. You put them in a bus, stock off, and you said you are trying to make people stay off corona. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. With the police and the government, you're all idiots. I swear to God. Sincerely, all you need to do is just to talk to these people. In fact, you lead them and protect them against the hoodlums that might destroy the peaceful protest. But instead, you're not doing that. Nígbà tí Mr. Macaroni ṣe video, I saw the video. He keeps saying, some people keep saying, where is the location? Where is Kinekon? He's at the Lekki toll gate. All you need to do as a youth is for all of us to take ourselves and go there. If, in case, you know, we are all idiots. We don't know anything. So, in case you don't know anything, about how will I put it? In case you don't know the power, the real power of crowd, only BT crowd to my day. Tí ẹni tó gbé ìbọn dání máa tọ́jú ìbọn ẹ̀. Ìjọ tí crowd yẹn bá bọ́ta ní Nàìjíríà, ìjọ yẹn ní Nàìjíríà máa tó dá. State government káti ẹ̀ believe pé àwọn yẹn ti ya wèrè. Wọ́n order pé kó lọ arrest citizens youth, àtàgbàlagbà tó fẹ́ protest, and all of you fold your arms. Ṣé mọ̀ bí Lekki toll gate bó ṣe yẹ kí Lekki toll gate kún lẹ́nì? Kí ni? Tí ẹ̀yin bá fẹ́ ṣe third mainland bridge, ẹ mọ̀ bó ṣe ń block the bridge for our inconvenience. Tí àwa bá fẹ́ protest, ẹ mọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe ń gbé ọlọ́pàá jáde pé a máa destroy whatever of the day. You're all idiots. All of you, all of you. All of you, the government, the godfathers of the government, all of you, me inclusive, we are all idiots. Because we cannot fight. We don't have to fight. We don't have to get to that third option. That third option with the gun, with the cutlass, olórí burúkú àwọn area boys táwa tún gbójúlé tàjọ jẹ́ tálíkà, àwọn ìyẹn ló tún máa sanwó fún wa, tún kó bọ̀ wá bá wa, wá yìnbọn fún wa. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà dá. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà dá. America tún threaten yín pé àwọn máa gba visa kúrò lọ́wọ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó bá legalize the same sex act. Àyà yín já visa. Bloody hell, my fucking ass. A passport, American passport, my bloody ass. Ibi by náà ni, a kò ní láti tún ṣe ni. Ẹ̀yin youth, ẹ fẹ́ gba ìjọba lọ́wọ́ old politician, because we have been ruled by the same set of people, same old people with their old ways. Who tells you that someone who doesn't pass through university and secondary school cannot rule a country? Who told you that? All you know is your school. All you want to rule a country with is school, book. Brilliant. Is that brilliant? No. Street is brilliant. I didn't go to school. I didn't go to any form of school. I can rule this nation. I can rule it even better. I can rule it like a 2-year-old child, and I'll make the country better. But you, a state government, a state governor, commands, or you will say forces bigger than you. You command the police to dehumanize your own citizen. Let me tell you what I would do, Sanwo-Olu. If I was summoned by the president, that, hey, I need you to put all the military and the Kinecon to the toll gate, I will now tell you that. I am not going to do that, because these are my citizens. You face your citizen, and if I ever see your federal or in my state, then this state will not contain us, because I will not allow them to come into my state and scatter everything for me. And that is what you're supposed to do as a state government. As a state governor or a fucking mayor that you are, you let the police to lay their hands on people that are just passing by. Then why didn't you arrest the media? The people with the camera. I thought they are the toll gate too. I thought they are filming your boys the way they are arresting those people. I thought your shame should not go on national TV. You call yourself a bloody mayor. You're not a fucking mayor. You're not for me. All I know is I'm just a Nigerian. I'm born in Lagos, so I am a Lagosian. And right in front of my eye, I'm a fucking youth that will not allow my state to go down the drain. Youth, if you want to save yourself from this tyrant, you go out and protest. All we need is just an account for the lost people, the people that are grieving, families that are grieving. Let me tell you why they arrested Debo, alias Mr. Macaroni, and they dehumanized him for everything. Do you know why? Because for me, for no. Do you know why they did this? Can you see? I will tell you the reason why. Because they need to suppress your power. They don't want you to come out tomorrow. They know that if they do this to a celebrity, that the celebrity and other celebrity and other Nigerian Lagosians that think they have mouth, that they cannot talk, they think they can talk. So if they show you, look at what Macaroni is doing. His head is being down, And this fucking government said they are protecting people from the virus, and you pack people like this. Did you go to school at all? Is it the school that you went to that is going to kill you with right now? Even the school you went to, I don't think you went to school. Because even me that didn't go to school will understand that I can't even pack these people like this. And UN will bloody give a fucking 30 days. A fucking 30 days before they intervene in this kind of issue. 30 days. You want 30 days to come and they start killing people? Really? And you call yourself a fucking UN? You bloody tout. All of you. You know yourself. All of you. But, well, you know, usually the only thing we do is just to shout. We shout on social media. And I know you people, you know the reason why you didn't legalize gun for Nigerians. You know we won't be talking like this now. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you want Nigeria to be better, go out and protest if you want it, and stay in your bloody home if you don't want it. And stop talking. Stop talking. That's all I will say. Thank you.